In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly reopen recently closed tabs in the Brave browser. Whether you accidentally closed a tab that you were working on or just need to get back to a previous session for some reason, this simple process will help you do that with ease. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up your Brave browser. If you haven't already, locate the Brave icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder and give it a click to start it up. Brave is known for its focus on privacy and speed, enhancing your web browsing experience significantly. Once you've got Brave open on your screen, take your eyes to the top right corner. Here, you'll notice a familiar 3 lines menu, often known as the menu or hamburger icon. It's your gateway to various browser settings and tools. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you've clicked the menu, a drop-down menu appears. From here, you're going to hover your mouse over the History option. Just let your mouse float over this section without clicking initially. You'll see that after a brief moment, another menu slides out, providing you with additional options to choose from. This menu gives you a quick overview of your browsing history, including access to a list of recently closed items. If you direct your attention a little further down, under the Recently Closed section, you'll see a lineup of tabs or windows that you have closed during your last browsing session. This feature is extremely handy as it keeps a short-term track of what you've been working on and lets you jump right back into action without the need to retrace your digital steps. To reopen a site, you simply click on the link of the site you want to restore from the list shown under Recently Closed. Once you click on it, the tab or window reopens instantly, allowing you to pick up exactly where you left off. It's as if you never closed it in the first place. This feature can save you a lot of time, especially if you're multitasking or handling specific tasks that require you to constantly switch between different web pages. And there you have it. With just a few easy clicks, you've managed to restore your recently closed tabs in Brave browser. By mastering this simple trick, you're making your browsing experience smoother and more efficient. So next time you close a tab by accident or need immediate access to something you closed a moment ago, you'll know exactly what to do. Keep exploring the features of Brave and happy browsing.